Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So finally the One UI 7 update on the Galaxy S24 Ultra is now available. And I hope that by now all of you guys might be enjoying this update, and let me know in the comment section that have you got this update or not yet. And if you want to check for this update, simply go into your settings, and after going into your settings, simply swipe down and tap on this software update option. After tapping on software update, you just have to wait and check for the new update available. The new update will be available of above 5 GB in size and with the security patch level of April 1st, 2025. Simply download this update and then you have to install this update. Then you can enjoy the new One UI 7 update along with the Android 15 update. So today in this video, I will show you some of the main UI changes that are coming up with the One UI 7 update. So first up, the first thing that you will notice is the brand new app icons. With the new One UI 7 update, all of the app icons are updated, and not only the app icons are updated, the animations while opening and closing of these apps are really smooth. Next up, the control panel is completely redesigned. As you can see, the control panel with the new One UI 7 update is now redesigned, and it is giving your device a fresh new look and feel. So if you were bored with the One UI 6 control panel, now with the One UI 7 update, the control panel is redesigned. Also, you can get to see a notch of live activities or music. Over here, if you will tap, the music you are playing in the background will be shown above here, and also in the now bar. The now bar will represent your live activities like the live score of the match or the music playing in the background. This now bar will be available in the lock screen. Also, the animation while charging is also changed. As you can see, the animation while plugging is changed with the new One UI 7 update. In the lock screen, it is also redesigned, as you can see, and I really like this new animation of the One UI 7 update while charging. This animation will change on the charger you are using. If you are using a fast charger, the animation color will be changed, and on the regular charger, the change color will appear. With the One UI 7 update, you will also get to see a redesigned and fresh new widgets. The widgets are redesigned and they are giving a fresh new feel to your device. There are multiple new widgets available that you can directly apply. Next up, the recent apps section is also changed a bit. As you can see, the UI of the recent apps is changed, and not only this, there are many new Galaxy AI features now available with the One UI 7 update. There's a lot more to cover with this new One UI 7 update, as this was the only basic UI changes that were available with the One UI 7 update. Further, there are many Galaxy AI features also available with this update that I will show you in the upcoming videos. So do not forget to like and subscribe. And that's a wrap for today's video. Do let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your device or not yet. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.